Now, in school, I love English and choir and Spanish, but math is the one subject that I just can't stand. Why is math and science so important for teens, and what can we do to encourage more teens to be interested in it?
I think it is. Okay, I'll give you my sales pitch on this. No, I think, if you look at whatever you look around here, you look at the camera, you look at the mic, you look at the things here, how you build a building and how do you purify water and there's a computer sitting over there. Almost everything we do in the way of manufacturing or technology comes from a basic understanding of science and math. And that's our automobiles and how they're much more efficient now, how everybody uses gasoline, building roads and buildings, and almost all of the things in the standard of living we have comes basically from the original touchstone of math and science and understanding all of these things. And it's everyone doesn't have to be a great mathematician. I agree with that, even to be a scientist. But a grounding in math I think a grounding in math and science these days is almost necessary to even just be a good citizen, because just to understand what's going on, just to know how to vote, what are the important things. When I first got to the Senate, normally about 2/3 of the people in the Senate are lawyers, have a legal background. And yet probably half or more of the things we vote on in the Senate have a basis in the physical sciences. Whether you're voting about roads or highways or farms or research or what you're going to do with what can we do in international commerce, things like that have their roots in science and technology. And so I ran partly on the basis that I was not a lawyer. And not that there's anything wrong with lawyers. But when I got there, I found out that what I'd run on was really the science background. It was very, very valuable. So I hope you'll work with your math teacher and get your interest over here.
Yeah, I'm interested in math. That's just that me and math, we don't come together really well.
Yeah, it's a very difficult class.
Yeah.
All right, what are you taking? What level are you at now?
We're taking, it's called Integrated Math 3A, but it has a lot of trigonometry concepts in it and deals with functions and stuff like that. So it's pretty much the last step before calculus.
Yeah, it's difficult.
Okay, but trig is a great. That's having a basis or an understanding of trig that's very important. Once you get onto advanced math and advanced algebra and calculus, it gets more difficult and isn't used as often later on. I think you'll find trig and understanding of that, and the measurements that are made with trigonometry and understanding that'll benefit you all your life. So I hope you get a straight A out of it.